So displaying the all elements in the array. Displaying the all elements means what? According to our discussion, elements we are accessing with the help of index, and index is starting with the zero. Index is a starting with the zero. Suppose I just want to display the first element. Display the first element. How can we display? Simply ARR of 0. It is in the zeroth location. Zeroth location. Second one is in first location, second location, third location, fourth location, fifth location, sixth location, seventh location. Because total how many elements are there? Total 8 elements are there. So locations up to 7 will be there. 7. But sir, 7 elements are there. You have written SOP statement 7 times. But if 100 elements are there, will you write 100 times? So that's why we have to repeat the loop. We have to repeat the loop. Just index. Here it is. I'm just representing the index. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have to repeat the loop starting with the 0. Sir, ending is a length, na? You can collect the length. Length is a 8, but you have to repeat up to 7 only. So repeat the for loop for I equals to 1, I less than or equal to n minus 1, n value 8, 8 minus 1, 7. You are repeating the loop up to 7 only. 7. Every time we are increasing 1 by 1, 1 by 1. 1 by 1, 1 by 1 we are increasing. Here I am printing, and this is important. Don't print error of 0. Error of 0 means always it will print 0th location element only. 3, 3, 3, 3. 7 times it will print. 7 elements are there. Here it is up to 7. 7 times it will print. Starting with 0 na index. 8 elements are there. 8 times it will print. Here we need to print I, and few people will forget and print I value. Don't print I. I is just index. Index is a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't print index. ARR of I. Error of 0. Error of 1. Error of 2. Error of 3. Like this, we are printing all the values. So with the help of length, just with the help of for loop, we are repeating the loop starting with the 0 and ending with the 7. So we are repeating the loop from 0 to 7. 8 minus 1. 8 is a length. Sir, I want to print in reverse order. Just repeat the for loop starting with n minus 1. Length minus 1. In decreasing order up to 0. Greater than or equals to 0. I minus minus. It is just our for loop knowledge. For loop knowledge. Error of I. Now look at this. Total n value 8. 8 minus 1, 7. It is starting with 7. Seventh location value 8. And it is decreasing every time until it is 0. When it is minus 1, it will stop. So first for loop is to display the elements in a increasing order. And the second for loop is to display the elements in a decreasing order. Okay. Please write the code.